Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Afia Farooq from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Welcome students. Our today's topic is multiplication. In our previous lecture, we have learned how to multiply a one-digit number by a one-digit number. Remember, multiplication is simple and quick, but you must know your tables. Now we will discuss multiplication of two-digit numbers by one-digit number. Multiplication pattern. First we write the numbers in place value chart as tens and ones column. Then we will multiply the numbers at ones place, and then we multiply the numbers at tens place. Now we will discuss multiplication steps with the help of an example. We want to multiply 24 by 2. First we write the numbers in place value chart as in tens and ones column. Then multiply the numbers at ones place, that is 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. So we will place 8 in ones column. Now we will multiply the numbers at tens place as 2 twos are 4. Then 4 will be placed in tens column. So our answer is 48. Multiplication of tens and ones. Kids, open your books at page number 71. Let's try question number 1. First, we multiply the numbers at ones place. That is 1 is multiplied by 6 and we get 1. 6 is 6. Now, we will multiply the numbers at tens place as 1 multiplied by 6, again 6. So answer is 66. Now let's try question number 2, and its first part is 10 multiplied by 5. First we multiply numbers at ones place as 0 multiplied by 5 is equal to 0. Remember kids, when any number is multiplied by 0 is always 0. Now multiply the numbers at tens place such that 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. Now kids, open your books at page number 72 and the topic is multiplication by converting ones. Let's try question number 1, and its first part is 15 multiplied by 4. First, multiply the numbers at ones place as 5 fours are 20. Oh, too many ones. Kids, remember, when we multiply the numbers at ones place and their product is two-digit number. As here, when we multiply 5 by 4, we get 20. That is two-digit number. Then we convert 20 ones into 2 tens. So after converting, we have 0 ones and 2 tens. Thus 0 will move in ones column and carry 2 tens to the tens column. Now multiply the numbers at tens place as 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4. Now we will add 2 that we have carried over into 4. So we get 6 tens. Finally 6 will place in tens column. चले हम दोबारा से रिवाइज करते हैं. सबसे पहले हमने वंस प्लेस पर जो नंबर पड़े हैं इनको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. जब हम 5 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारे पास आता है 5 4s are 20, 20 वंस। यहाँ पर 20 वंस 2 डिजिट नंबर है और हम जानते हैं कि 10 वंस जो हैं वो 1 10 के इक्वल होते हैं। सो 20 वंस इज इक्वल टू 2 टेंस। जब हमने 20 वंस को टेंस में कन्वर्ट किया तो हमारे पास 0 वंस और 2 टेंस बन गए। अब हम 2 टेंस को टेंस कॉलम पर कैरी करेंगे। फिर हम टेंस प्लेस पर जो नंबर पड़े हैं उनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। जब हम 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 4 के साथ तो हमारे पास आता है 4 1s are 4, 4 टेंस। तो हमारे पास 4 टेंस आते हैं। तो इस 4 टेंस में हमने जो 2 टेंस कैरी किए हुए हैं उसको ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे पास हो जाएंगे 6 टेंस। फिर हम 6 को टेंस कॉलम में लिख देंगे। Now kids, open your books at page number 73 and question number 2. Complete these. E part is 26 multiplied by 4. First, we will multiply the numbers at ones place. So we will get 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. Now convert 20 ones into 2 tens and we get 4 ones and 2 tens. Thus 4 will move in ones column and 2 tens will carry to the tens column. Now multiply the numbers at tens place. After multiplying 2 by 4, we get 8. Now add 2 tens that we have carried over into 8 and get 10 tens. As we know that 10 tens is equal to 100. So we have 0, tens and 100. Thus 0 will move in tens column and 1 will move in hundreds column. Thus the answer is 104. Now we will multiply 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number and learn how to convert tens and ones. So kids, open your books at page number 75. Let's try question number 3 and the part A is 143 multiplied by 6. First multiply ones as 3 6 are 18. Now 18 is 2-digit number. Thus 10 ones will convert into 1 10. So we have 8 ones and 1 10. Now 8 will move in ones column and 1 10 will carry to tens column. Now multiply the numbers at tens place. We get 4 6 are 24 and we'll add 1 10 that is carried over into 24 and get 25 tens. Now convert 20 tens into 200. After conversion, we have 5 tens and 2 hundreds. So 5 will move in tens column and 200 will carry to the hundreds column. Now multiply the hundreds and get 1 6 is 6. Now add 2 hundreds that we have carried over into 6. Finally, we get 8 hundreds and place 8 in hundreds column. Thus our answer is 858. Now it's time for your homework assignment. Do page number 71, 72, 73 and 75, question number 3. Thank you. Stay blessed.